Oh, so what happened?
Yes.
What?
What the? What the fuck? There's three of them. There's three of them. There's three of them. Actually, there's four of them. There's four of them.
Huh? Oh wow, they're coming over.
There's two police. It was two cars.
Yeah.
Drove by, and I heard it all.
Yeah, me too. But I seen it. It was by my window. Oh wow.
Yeah, there's like three of them over here.
Yeah, basically three cars.
There's two chasing them, huh?
Mhm.
I was over here playing Roblox on voice chat.
Oh
They caught him.
no, they're she's trying to talk to him.
Damn. I'm still going. That car is damaged.
Mhm.
Ah! Nah! Oh! 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 High speed chase, high speed chase. No. No, they're chasing them. Oh, that's going on YouTube.
Yeah.
No, police chase gets viral these days. Oh, there's some more over there.
Mhm.
Sorry, man, that's why I'm messing in this room. Nah, tomorrow's Christmas Eve too. Not Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve.
Mhm. Oh wow, look. Dang.
Not even the squad, no.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a lot. Oh yeah, they're coming. Oh, there's a lot coming. There's a lot coming. Hold up. There's a lot coming. Look, there's two. There's, oh my. Oh.
Yeah.
No, it's a lot. Oh wait, they can hear us. They can hear us. Unbelievable. This many cops. I want. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I know, right?
What?
She can hear the walkie-talkies.
Mhm.
Oh, there's another one. There's another one. There's another one. Come on. Stop being nosy. Stop being scary. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. You hear more, right?
Mhm. It's cold outside.
I know.
Who's that though?
What is cop doing? Come on. I can hear more. I can hear more sirens. What the? There's more. There's more. There's more. There's more. That's the last one.
And see, I'll try to move this out of this apartment already. It's too much.
It's cold outside. I'm.
What do you mean?
Oh wow. Oh wow.
What did your sister say?
Something gotta happen upstairs. That's what she's saying.
Oh.
Cause no, this This many cops is not helping. Oh my god. I never seen this. I never seen that many cops in one apartment. Oh, there's a lot coming. There's a lot coming. How about I waste this much storage? Damn. There's a police chase going on. Oh my god. Look, they're on camera too. Dang, tomorrow's Christmas. Not Christmas. Why can't I say Christmas Eve? Christmas Eve already passed. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve. Come on, y'all. Dang, y'all want to get arrested on. Dang. Alright, guys. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe for more. And I'll keep you updated. There's a lot of cops over here. I'm gonna lie. A lot of cops. What's a lot is a lot. There's currently a police chase going on too. That's why all this is happening. Alright guys, like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next. I'll keep y'all posted. So. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Okay guys. A lot of cops are leaving now. Okay, there goes another one. Oh, we turned lights off. Are you gonna talk to him? Okay. Okay guys, there was a lot of cops here. Oh, focus. Focus, please focus. Don't do this right now, focus. I need to focus. I need to focus. Oh, there it is, it's focused now. Go, cops, go. What the hell? Go, cops, go. Go. Fort Worth police, yeah. Fort Worth police, yeah. Oh my god, this car's leaving too. Yeah. What about that one though? What about that one? What about this one? Okay, guys. Stay tuned for more. Frenchy. Oh, there's another one pulling up. Or pulling out, I meant. Bye-bye, cover. Bye-bye, for police. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh, that one leaving too. But whoa. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come to the getting another. What is this cop doing now? I have no freaking idea. Okay. That's a truck. That's a truck. Another cop. Yeah, we want to make it cool. Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa, buddy. Oh. Daddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Well, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.